Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am digging through my patterns looking for something I can adjust for a Blythe doll for the upcoming CCC with Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. CCC is a collab between Tammy and I to challenge you to dress your dolls in a 1990 outfit. It can be any doll at all. Or if you have one that's dressed like that, to show us. And the last C is for contest. She and I dress our dolls, and we have a contest that our viewers vote on to see who made the best outfit for the challenge that we have put out. We do not vote on anyone else's outfits or dolls or anything like that. It's just a fun thing between Tammy and I. But anyway, I'm looking through these patterns, and I hope you are doing the same and will join us, because it's a lot of fun, these CCCs. We're doing this October 25th, and you can upload your video any time of day at all. You can show any doll you like, any time of day on the 25th of October. Go over to Tammy's channel today. She's going to have something preparing for the 25th also. Take a look at what she's got. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, wave to Peaches, and subscribe.